Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be making a small circuit with Arduino Uno, the DHT11 sensor and buzzer. So the DHT11 sensor is basically a sensor which senses the temperature and humidity. So it gives that data, temperature and humidity data. Buzzer is buzzer, that's it. It makes sound. And this is a microcontroller. It's basically like a brain where you can give functions. You can code it to do functions and work. Basically, it can do work. Okay. Then I have two LEDs rather than red and green. So let's start. So I'll uh, start off by connecting the DHT11 sensor to the breadboard. Then I'll connect the buzzer to the breadboard. So it looks something like this. Then I'll take the red and black. Then I'll connect the red to the 5 volt here in the Arduino. I'll connect it to the breadboard. I'll take the black wire. I'll connect it to the ground, which is basically negative if you don't know. Then yeah. Then I'll take these small wires and I'll connect the negative to the ground. So it will be here. One will be here. Then the red. And the red one will be here. Okay. So it'll receive power from this breadboard. So because we connected the ground from the Arduino and the positive, the 5 volt from the Arduino. So this will be like the power supply when we'll use this as power supply. Then we'll connect the red wires to the ground and positive of the buzzer too. So negative is here. This one goes for the ground of the buzzer, and the next one goes for the positive one, the 5 volts. Okay. Yeah, so that's connected. Now we have to connect the signal pins. That's easy, really easy. So I'll connect the DHT pin, like the DHT one. So the DHT signal one, I'll connect it to 2. Then next one. So next one is I'll connect the buzzer to 5. Yeah, okay, it's here. Yeah, okay. So the buzzer to 5, which is right over here. I hope you can see. I'll just zoom it in a bit more so you guys can see the circuit forming. So it's easy. Then I have these LEDs. So to check which is positive and negative, you can check it 2 ways. One is by the length of the legs. So the longer one is the positive and the shorter one is negative. Or you can check through inside. Focus, come on. Let the camera focus for a second. Yes. So you can see. I don't know if you can see in the camera properly, but the bigger one inside is negative and the smaller one inside is negative. sorry, the bigger one inside is negative and the smaller one inside is positive. That's how it works. So I'll connect the LEDs. Come on, I'll connect. I don't want to use a lot of wires, so I'll just directly connect it to the power supply, the negative, the ground. And the positive one will act like a signal, so we'll do that. So the negative, which is the shorter one, check it out. Yes. So these two are connected. So now we need signals from these two also, so I'll use jumper wires again. Okay. So the green LED goes to 4. The green LED, yeah, so here. So it goes to 4. Yeah, that's 4. Then the red one goes to, let's say, 3. Okay, perfect. So our circuit is done. So now, yeah, let me check. Yeah, our circuit is done right now. So the only thing left is the code. So I'll display the code on the screen and I'll explain. So I'll just give a summary of the code right now. So first we assign the pins to DHT11 buzzer. Like DHT11 it was 2, buzzer was 5, LEDs was 3 and 2. So first we assign that. Then we just created a variable like temperature threshold. That's 30. So that's the limit. And like the humidity threshold is like 60. So the void setup. Then the next code is in the void setup. So here I select the pin mode because these 3 like LEDs, including these 2 LEDs and the buzzer is output. The only input is the DHT11, which gives the temperature and humidity data. Then it's the code. Then in the void loop, so I'm done with void setup. In the void loop, basically there is I say to read the data from here, so the humidity data and temperature data. Then I'll print the humidity and temperature data on the serial monitor. Then that's the if statement. If the humidity is more than what I needed, like play the sound in the buzzer. And if the humidity is less, just don't do anything. Hello. Yeah. Else, don't do anything. So that's basically the code. It's really simple. The only thing is that you have to download the libraries of DHT11. That's the only thing that you need to do. Then that's it. So I will now work the circuit. So I have plugged it in and I uploaded the code also. Now you can see the green light is lit. The green LED is lit. That's because the temperature right now and the humidity right now is actually pleasant and it's below the condition that we have given. So now I'll just blow into the DHT11, which is going to increase the temperature and humidity. It should turn. Wait, give me a second. I'll blow hard. My room is actually really cold, so I'll blow a bit more harder. Come on. Oh, yes. It's a bit too loud. I'll just remove this because or else I can't talk properly. You guys won't be able to hear me. So let it be green, then we'll keep this back. Because right now it is still, it's decreasing. It's 65% humidity right now. It's decreasing. 58. Yeah. I can keep it back. So I will remove the camera from the stand. I'll show you the actual thing. My table is a bit messy, but you guys can see the temperature. Am I right? Yeah, okay. I cleared it out again. Let it focus. Let it focus. Let it focus. You can see humidity 42%, temperature 27%. Now I'll again blow into it. Give me a second. Yeah. Focus, focus. Come on, come on. Yeah, now you can see the code. You can see I just removed the buzzer because it was a bit too loud. Because you can see it is 87, 80, 77. Then you can see temperature is pretty less because my room is pretty cool, but the humidity is still there. That's the reset is still glowing. Like if I insert it back again, you can see, you can hear it. Yeah, I'll keep it. Yeah, so now it's alright. So that's it for this video. And if you guys like this video, hit subscribe and leave a like down below. So see you guys in the next video.